What if I told you I could keep you out of a lot of red tape, keep your loved ones from having a burden after you pass away, protect your assets, and make sure your wishes are fulfilled? Hi, I'm Brenton Begley. I'm an attorney and partner with McIntyre Elder Law, and I just named off the three main things, okay, that an estate planning and elder law attorney can do for you. So, number one of the things that you want to do is avoid any burden for your loved ones, okay? That's one of the main reasons why people do estate planning, because they're concerned with leaving a mess behind for their surviving spouse or children or anyone else that they consider to be an heir of their estate. Now, one of the ways that we do that is help put documents in place to make your instructions very clear, make your wishes very clear. We also help you avoid the process of probate, which can be a long, difficult, expensive process for loved ones to go through after you've passed away. The other thing that we can do is make sure that we have your assets protected from the main risks that you face as you age, okay? So some of the main risks that you face is probate that I mentioned, because that is the opportunity for a creditor to come after the estate. So avoiding probate helps protect assets for the next generation or for your surviving spouse. And we can also help protect assets from long-term care and even help you get qualified for a much needed benefit to pay for very expensive long-term care while protecting the assets you worked very hard for. And there's many ways to do that. Even if you have a decent amount of assets, even if you are middle class, it can be done. And then lastly, we want to make sure that your wishes are fulfilled in the way that you want them to be, okay? And the best way to do that is with clear legal documents that get right to the root of what it is that you want, and to make sure that if there's anything that happens that you haven't quite thought of yet, that you have contingencies built in place, that you don't have to update your documents every time someone gets married or something else happens, unless it's a change that you really want to make. For example, a properly written estate plan is going to make sure that the assets go to whoever you want them to go to, who's alive now, and also what happens if those people pass away before you, and so on. So what do we do here? Well, we help do many things, including the three things that I just mentioned, which is help you avoid a burden after you pass away, help protect your assets, and help fulfill your wishes in the right way. So if you have questions about how to set up an estate plan, if you have questions about what we do, which is estate planning and elder law, happy to talk with you, happy to give you any information that you need, and happy to sit down with you and craft a very, custom estate plan to tailor to your needs and exactly what it is that your wishes are. So if you want to sit down and talk about that, well, we offer free consultations. So you can visit our website, ncelderlaw.com, and schedule your consultation today, or give us a call, 704-259-7040.